dunidaba dhammaanteed jacayloo dabaaldegeen waa habeen dareenno dafaa dunidaba dhammaanteed jacayloo dabaaldegeen daymada daawashada kalgacalka leh deeqlaysu siin jiray
Assalamu alaikum, my name is Dilawar. I'm calling from the Fairway Pavilion. Welcome to our venue. We have become associated with the Somali community for the last 30 years. When our community arrived in the UK, we have become a pillar of support in helping and assisting any social projects, any weddings, any events. We have always been there for the community and we are always here for the community. This is your venue, our venue is yours, we are you. So we are able to assist you in any type of event that you may have. We have versatile facilities here. We provide fantastic Somali traditional food with our Somali chefs. We also provide Arabic food. We provide Pakistani food. We have the amazing facilities here that we have segregated facilities. We have mahar facilities. We have facilities for prayer here. And we are able to afford any type of services that you may require. One main thing is, as we are a 50-year-old company, we are able to beat anybody's price. We will give you the best and we will charge you the least. And we will guarantee you that there is nobody in and around this area who will provide you with a better service, and we will provide you with a better value for money as well. So I would like to thank Somali National Television for giving me the opportunity to pass my message to you. And I pray for you and Jazakumullah khair, and I wish you the very best, and please contact me and I will provide you with the best. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. ودرت عشقا ايضا فورينو وبحيا يسلطونين وهبك درجة لما يستنيا شمعي سطارين وهبك درجة لما يستنيا شمعي سطارين دلي يرد دوخيو كنك يسكر راحو من حاجة يطمشاد مكوة دكينا مكوة دكينا مكوة دكينا مكوة دكينا دلي يرد دوخيو كنك يسكر راحو من حاجة يطمشاد مكوة دكينا مكوة دكينا مكوة دكينا مكوة دكينا مكوة دكينا مكوة دكينا.
I'd like to take this opportunity by thanking Somali National TV for being here today, and they have been absolutely amazing, and it's just amazing that we guys are working as a community, as a part of one, everything is just working amazingly smoothly, as if we become one team and everything. So it's just amazing. I really appreciate that. Thank you so much, Somali TV, Somali National TV.
Whoa. habeen dareenno dafaa dunidaba dhammaanteed jacayloo dabaaldegay
I have recently visited the Fairview Pavilion for my cousin's wedding that's due in July. Upon arriving, the scenery was absolutely beautiful. It was a lot of green and a lot of trees. Everything was nice. As soon as we went inside, the staff was really nice. They were welcoming. Regardless of the language barrier, they were all very welcoming, and they made us feel comfortable. They took us on a tour around the venue, showed us all the different props that's available for the wedding or the fixtures. And then they went through the packaging and showed us all types of information that was available to us in case we wanted to add it onto our wedding package. They were, as I said before, they were really friendly. They gave us tea, coffee, everything. They've also made us aware that if in the future we wanted to have other events aside from the wedding, that they could cater to that as well. And for me personally, I felt like they were very presentable, they were very professional. And even though we still have a lot more to go in terms of deciding which venue we want, so far I think this is like a #1 contender.
dhawaan ayaan waxaan booqanay Fairway Pavilion anagoo raadinayna goob aan ku qabsano xaflad dhalinyaro. runtii waxaan kala kulanay soo dhaweyn aad u sareysa, qiimo macquul ah, iyagoona tusay package kala duwan. runtiina waxaan oran karaa Fairway Pavilion waxaad adigoo daalay ayaa tagaysaa oo aad u raadinaya hoolal, laakiin waxaad ka imanaysaa adigoo mabsuud ah haddii aan lahayd qurux ama qiimo macquulaba.
daymada daawashada kalgacalka leh deeqlaysu siin jiray dhalinyarada dookhiyo dadka isku raaco farxad iyo damaashaad ma ku wada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna dhalinyarada dookhiyo dadka isku raaco farxad iyo damaashaad makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna makuwada dekayna doorto dawadagta casaqa ay dafooreno ubaxya isla doone